circulation improve. And also for your Tai Chi form, and for push hands and stuff, you have to have a good expansion. If you don't have expansion, then it's easy for people to collapse you. You always need to have some amount of expansion. Even if it's very light, when you're practicing the form, there should always be some amount of outward energy. Okay? You don't want to just hang there in space. So limp is like zero. You can do it. You can practice, zero Tai Chi. So no energy Tai Chi. But I wouldn't work on it for too long. At some point, you need to add the energetic. So add the expansion and keep it there the whole time. So it's not that there's only expansion on the outward movements. Even when you're coming back in, there's still expansion. So if somebody were to push your arm, there's still something there that's pushing outward. Okay? This isn't pulling and collapsing. There should be something pushing out, even if it's very light. Okay? When the hand comes close to the body in the form, again, you need some kind of expansion outward. Otherwise, when people push you, you just collapse. All right? You don't want to collapse. So it has to be at least a little bit. Even if your volume knob is on 1, that's better than 0. Okay? And technically, throughout the form, the volume knob is going to go up and down. You're going to have more expansion sometimes, less at other times. But it's always something there. Okay? Let me go back to this one again. Expanding. Relax. Expanding. Relax. Okay, so the upper body is not too difficult to get that sensation. Lower body, because it's holding up all the rest of the body, is doing a lot more work. So it's hard to relax the lower body. But the feeling should also be in the legs. Just like the arms have an expansive outwardness to them, the legs are the same thing. So when somebody pushes your leg, there should also be that expansion outward. And you're actually being held up by that expansion. So your stance shouldn't be just simply standing on the legs. It should be opening, open the joints, open the hip,